Hi everyone. I just wanted to share a quick video about how I changed my faulty headlight ballast. So basically, I've been looking on the internet and all the videos for the 207, 212. I think 204 as well have been showing that you need to remove the front bumper to change out the ballast. But I struggled to change the bumper. I tried it earlier during the week. I struggled to change the bumper. I was gonna need more tools. I only have a couple of screwdrivers and sockets. So I decided to wake up and try something else. I saw another video online. I'll link it up as well, where the guy would remove the bracket, this bracket here. He'd loosen this bracket here, and then kind of have more access to the ballast, which sits over there. But what I found is that I just wanted to try it before removing the bracket, because I didn't know how long it would take me. I didn't know if I have the right tools to do all that work, because he had quite a lot of extensions and quite a lot of other smaller tools that I don't have. So what I did is, just to see how far I am, or how I decided to just remove the fender liner, and the ballast sits right here. So obviously that bracket that I was talking about that needs to be removed is directly below it. So I just loosened it, and I just loosened the two screws, right? The screws are holding the ballast. Let me just do this, and then try to take it out this way towards the wheel arc, towards the wheel. But what happened is that it keeps hitting it here, so you need to take out the wheel completely if you want to take it out that way. I've also tried to take taking out the back way. There was much less resistance, yeah, and then it eventually came out. So yeah, it will hit something, but it will come out. So now I just put this one in. I need to screw it back on, and then I tested it. The light comes on. So what I need to do now is also test the other functions. Let me see. So I tested it, and the lights come on. So what I need to do now is test the other functions, like the auto dim bright, the turning light, and then I forgot what other features it also has. But yeah, it works. For now, I'm very happy. No, I don't think it'll work. I don't think the auto dim bright will work. Let me see what other warnings are there. I'll also use a scan and see if there's other new warnings. I'll start the car later on and see. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, I'll start the car later on. It's just a bit too early. People are sleeping in the house. This is a V8 after all. So yeah, so I hope it works. So I got the ballast of Aliexpress for 400 rands, which is roughly just below $20. I think just below $20. I'll look up the price again and put them up. And then the delivery was free from China to South Africa. So the lowest price you can get for an aftermarket ballast at, I think, Goldwagen is 2,500 rand, and that might be excluding VAT. And then I haven't checked at Mercedes. I didn't bother because very few of my quotations there have been favorable towards what I'm trying to do with this car. Well, I hope this video helps and you can do this project yourself. Sharp.